Good morning students. So let's start with the vowels I sound. Okay, I का sound कैसे आता है? E. Okay, what is the sound of I? The sound of I is, for example, if you tell I for ice cream, so there it is I. But if I tell I for igloo, so it is going to be E. Okay, so first part that we are going to take is what is I B. You don't have to write this, ये सिर्फ explanation के लिए I am doing. You have to just read from the book. Okay, so I have written over here IB. Okay, so IB is going to be, I sound is E and B sound is B, so it is going to be ib. Okay, this is going to be what? This is going to be ib. IB is ib. IB is ib. Okay, now let's do the reading from here. Now we said what? IB is what? ib. So it is going to be ib. So ib is going to be common और आपको सिर्फ फर्स्ट लेटर का क्या करना है? साउंड फाइंड आउट करना है. एंड वी ऑलरेडी know the phonics of A to Z. If you don't know, so please first learn the phonics of A to Z. Now this is what? B. The sound of B is what? B. So it is going to be bib. Okay, it is going to be what? Bib. Then we have FIB. F. Fib. Then we have NIB. N. Nib. ib common है सब में, ठीक है. Then we have RIB, that is R. Rib. Okay, so what I will do, I will write these words over here. So first one is B. Ib, that is bib. Then we have FIB, that is for ib, fib. Then we have NIB, that is nib. And then we have RIB, that is rib. So ib, B, ib, bib, F, ib, fib, N, ib, nib, R, ib, rib. Okay, so again bib, fib, nib, rib. BIB, bib. FIB, fib. NIB, nib. RIB, rib. Okay, then let's take the second sound, that is I and D. Okay, ID क्या होगा? IE and D. So it is going to be id. IE and the sound of D is D, so it is going to be id. Okay, it is going to be what? It is going to be id. So let's look at the words. The first word we have is BID. So it is going to be B, id. So it is going to be bid. DID, D, id. That is going to be did. HID, H, hid. That is hid. KID, the sound of K is K, so it is going to be kid. LID, the sound of L is L, so it is going to be lid. Let's write over here. This I am writing, you have to not write. Okay, you have to not write. ये सिर्फ explanation के लिए I am writing for you. So it is going to be BID, bid. DID, did. HID, hid. KID, kid. LID, lid. Okay, so BID, b, id. DID, d, did. HID, h, hid. KID, k, kid. LID, l, lid. Okay, then let's move on to the other sound, that is IG. The sound of IG is going to be what? Ig.